Hello everyone, this is Vivian from Gondor Group. Today I will introduce our high-speed packing machine for you. For candy, our packing machine, the output of our packing machine will up to 6 pieces candy per minute. How does it to make that? It is very important because there is 3 pieces a civil model in our machine. Let me show you. This part you can check. These 3 pieces model in our machine. One piece is model to control the sorting trays and the conveyors. The second one to control the speed of the film. And the last one is also very important to control the cut part. Now I will introduce every part for you in detail. First one, this is our candy sorting part. You can check there is 4 pieces brush in our trays. And these 3 brush to adjust the position of the candy. You can see every hole will be 1 candy, right? And these 3 pieces brush will keep 1 hole match 1 candy. To avoid 2 candy in same hole, it will to brush it. And this one is the important one. It can to adjust the position of the candy to let the candy match the middle of these 2 bars. Then after you adjust the candy position, you can to put this protect plate in here to protect your hand when the machines work. And the second part is the conveyor. You can see there is 2 plates and 6 screws in our machines. First, you to remove these 6 screws. Then you can to adjust the distance of these 2 pellets to let this distance to match the diameter of your candy. Then the candy will go to this part. This part is the candy film part. First, we need to install this film. Please make sure the middle of this film to match the middle of the former. Then the candy and the film will together go to the last part. There is 5 pieces blood in this part. It will sealing the candy package. You can check this one. And this part, the blood is with the heating function. It will seal these 2 parts. And you can see this one. This is our PLC screw. You can to adjust all the darts by this PLC. And these 2 parts is the heating function part. First one, this is the middle seal heating. The second one is the traceable seal heating. This part to adjust to seal the candy bag, these 2 parts. And the middle sealing heating to control this one. Usually, the temperature will be higher than this part, about 10 degrees. Usually, the temperature of the middle seal heating will be higher than the traceable seal heating, about 20 degrees. And you can see these are some bottom of our machine. The first one is the emergency stop. This one is jog, stop, start. It is very easy to operate.